Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a graph which is known as sine wave. So let's make a circle of any diameter. So in this case I am taking 50 mm and draw the diameter lines. With the help of protractor, we will divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So mark as 30 over here, and again 30 means 60 from the origin. In the same case from this side 30 and again 60. Now make a lines from these points from the center towards the other curve, and again this one, and from this side and this side. So in this way it is divided into 12 equal parts. Now make a horizontal line from point 12, and the length of this line is whatever the circumference of your circle. So pi d is the formula for the circumference, so it is 157 as we have the diameter 50. Now we will divide this circumference line or the horizontal line into 12 equal parts. I will make an inclined line from point 12, and this inclination can be any. Now with the help of a compass, open your compass up to any distance and mark an arc over here. Now move your compass forward with same distance and mark an arc over here. Again take your compass forward with same distance and mark an arc over here. Again take your compass forward and mark an arc over here. In this way you can divide this complete line into 12 equal parts. So these are the 12 equal parts. Now take a scale, and from the last division make a line to this side and join the end of this circumference line. Now take your scale forward to the next division and make a line over here which is parallel to the previous line. Now again take your scale forward and mark an line over here which is again a parallel line. Take your scale forward to the next division and mark a line over here. In this way make a parallel lines to the circumference line, and in this way it is divided into 12 equal parts. Now extend your lines like this. So I will extend the 9-3 line horizontally towards the right side. In the same way, from all the equal divisions of the circle, make a horizontal line. Now from 1 dash, make a 90-degree line and mark a point over here. From 2 dash up to 2 line. So this is a 2 line, horizontal line. And from this 2 dash, I will make a vertical line. In the same way, from 3 dash to 3 line. In the same way, from 4 dash to 4 line. So this is a 4 line. As you can see that this is a line from point 4. So again from 5 dash up to 5 line, and 6 dash up to 6 line. So this is a 6 line. In the same way 7 dash to 7 line and 8 dash to 8 line. In the same way we will take the vertical lines from all the equal divisions of the circumference line up to the lines which are coming horizontally from the points. So now just join these points from point 12 and make a sine curve or sine wave like this. If you want to draw the sine wave, we have a y is equal to sine x. So x is the angle which is in the this way. This is the x way. This is the angle. We have a horizontal axis, and in the vertical we have a y. If you have any query regarding the video, you can comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Be happy.